Now take the instance of Zuida Zui. This is an example where the Dutch government have added precious land resources by reclaiming it from the sea. This was a challenge, but the challenge has been accepted and has been converted into a valuable resource. The wave ravaged land is now a productive land. This is another instance which shows that man can modify the given environment. Take instances from India which will validate the approaches of environmental possibilism. Take the case of Konkan Railway. Thus, railway route has been laid in a zone where there's heavy rainfall, landslide, mudslip, and soil subsidence. Despite all these physical hardships, the railway has been set up there. So, this railway route is therefore called an architectural feat. The slide for this has also been sent. You can check it up there. Think of the numerous underground powerhouses of NHPC. The Uri powerhouse in the Jammu Kashmir region, surrounded by the Peat Panjal ranges. This Uri powerhouse is on River Jhelum. Difficult terrain wise, difficult climatic wise, difficult in its accessibility and approachability. Yet the NHPC has constructed this Uri powerhouse. So this is also an instance of technological craftsmanship. Even more recent examples, which many of you must have heard about, are of the sustainable iceberg lodge in Dubai and the temporary ice hotels in the frigid northern towns of Russia, Canada, Norway, etc. These are instances which shows that cultural determinism is a very, very important aspect. It's a very significant approach in the study of geography. Man has, with his entrepreneurial skill, with his creative skill, developed these things today. Environmental probabilism is therefore a more relevant approach. Despite differences, this debate between environmental determinism and environmental possibilism has now been going on for more than a century. But there is an interface. What is that interface? That both these approaches come and converge at a point. So, what do we now say? Despite differences between the two schools, there is an interface. No school of thought can be absolutely non elastic. We neither can say that we are slaves in the hands of nature, that whatever nature does, we accept it. There are instances of natural fury and ravages. Leave aside the tsunami damages that have taken place. Nature is powerful, but neither do we say that man cannot alter nature for its own use. So it cannot be a non-elastic approach. Man, culture, and physical environment all play important role.